In 2002, Major League Baseball signed a labor agreement with the players. In this agreement, any team whose payroll exceeded $136.5 million in 2006 had to pay a luxury tax of 40% for second offenses. The linear function, and then I look at that and say, who cares? I underlined a bunch of stuff, who cares? And you're going to say, well, what? Because they gave me the function. I don't care now. Except this says that T of P equals 0.40 times P minus 136.5. So that's the rule. I just have to understand what the variables represent now. Input variable is P, and P, they say, is payroll, and the units is in millions of dollars. So input variable is P, and the units are dollars in millions. And what is it? It's the payroll of the team. Output variable is T of P, that's your Y value. Put in P, get out T of P. And its units are in the linear function of the TP, which right there describes the luxury tax T of a team whose payroll is millions of dollars. They do not tell me. It's got to be in millions of dollars because you're paying a tax. You can't have one thing being in millions of dollars without the other thing being in millions of dollars. So we'll just say dollars millions. And this is the tax paid the team. Which the Yankees paid every year. And not unusual. And it says, what's the implied domain? When would they start paying the tax? 136.5, right? And unless they reach that number, they wouldn't pay any tax at all. So the implied domain would start at 136.5 to when? Infinity, forever. It doesn't have any meaning. They wouldn't be paying any tax at all if it were less than 136.5. Here's the Yankees. What is the luxury tax for the New York Yankees, whose payroll was $272.2 million in 2006? Well, what is it? This is a p-value of 272.2. So I put in P and get out the tax. So the T of 272.2 is 0.40 times 272.2 minus 136.5. And anything else? No. And then I pull out my handy dandy little calculator. And 0.40 times 272.2 subtract 136.5. 54.28 million. And then we'll have to wait till tomorrow to graph it and finish the problem. Part 2 of our oath.